To add a visitor counter to Shopify, you need to understand the basics of Shopify's theme editor and how to use third-party apps. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the online store section. From there, click on Themes and then Actions to edit your current theme. In the theme editor, you will see a list of files on the left side. Click on the layout file that corresponds to the page where you want to add the counter. This is usually the layout liquid file. Now you need to find the place in the code where you want to add the counter. This could be in the header, footer or sidebar. Once you have found the place, you can add the counter code. However, Shopify does not support adding counters directly, so you need to use a third-party app. To do this, go to the Shopify App Store and search for visitor counter apps. There are many free and paid options available, so choose the one that suits your needs. Once you have installed the app, follow the instructions provided by the app to add the counter code to your theme. The code will usually be a JavaScript snippet that you need to add to the layout file, or an HTML code that you need to add to the page where you want to display the counter. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully and test the counter after adding the code. Another option is to use Google Analytics to track your website visitors. This will not display a counter on your website, but it will give you detailed information about your website traffic. To set up Google Analytics, go to the Google Analytics website and create an account. Then follow the instructions to add the tracking code to your Shopify theme. In conclusion, adding a visitor counter to Shopify requires using a third-party app or Google Analytics. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully and test the counter after adding the code to ensure it is working correctly. By following these steps, you can easily add a visitor counter to your Shopify store and start tracking your website traffic.